everyone, welcome to Simply Made Homestead. Well, this is going to be just a really quick video today. This is our little corn patch behind us. First time really growing corn. We tried it a few stalks when we were in upstate New York, total failure. But this is the first time we've ever planted this much, and or even a real crop of corn. So, but anyway, we're really excited. It's not near as tall or beefy as some corn crops you may see from other people's gardens, but apparently our soil probably needs some kind of amendment, which we'll need to have it tested and find out what that is. But even though it's not really huge, tall, 7 feet tall, and really beefy leaves and all this kind of stuff, we have some beautiful corn. It has pollinated just like it needed to, and we have some really beautiful corn out there. We did plant our corn at 2 different times because some didn't come up, so we replanted. So we'll have some more corn in a couple, 2 or 3 weeks from now, which works out great. So anyway, if you haven't seen our video on how to care for your corn, be sure and check that out. I'll link it for you there. But today we've got a couple of the grandkids here, and my husband and I, we tried it out last night, and oh my gosh, it's so yummy and it's so pretty, and it is worm free. It's well pollinated, beautiful ears of corn. So today we're going to pick some more because we've got a roast in the crock pot, and we're going to have some ears of corn fresh from the garden. So we just wanted to take you along with us. All right, grandkids, what do we look for? Come here. James, come tell them what we look for so you know it's a ready to pick corn. Is this corn ready to pick?
No.
Why is it not ready to pick?
Because it's not brown, and when it's says it hasn't had a lot of water.
Can you say it really loud so they can hear? It's because he's his first time on video. So it's because it's still green. See how the silks are still green? They need to be, what color do they need to be?
Brown.
No, they need to be brown. The silks need to be brown to know that they're ready to pick, and you can feel them, kind of see. This one's kind of skinny. We have light ones. What about this one over here?
This one?
Yeah, look at this one here. Back up so they can see it. Is this one ready?
Yes.
Oh, so this one's ready. All right, so do you want to break that one off for me? That one can be mine. I'll take that one. Here, go around to the side and reach around here and break it off. Okay, and you just break it off. Just like that. And there you have an ear of corn. Okay guys, you see the silks? Go find your ear of corn. Which one's going to be yours for the lunch today? All right, so now I just want to show you what the inside of this thing looks like. Now, of course, since we just randomly picked this ear of corn, I'm really hoping it's going to be a pretty one. I think we have a winner. What you think? Beautiful, Mimi. James? Oh yeah, that looks good. Papa Drew, what are you standing around waiting for?
Christmas.
Look at there, guys. Is that not beautiful?
Do we
Look.
open ours?
No worms. Yeah, you can peel it. Don't pick it. Pull the husk back. You know how. Y'all helped me shuck corn last year, remember? All right, guys, there you go. Beautiful ears of corn. Mimi. Be sure to check out the video. You can plant corn for a fall crop too, so it's not too late. Now here it's really hot, getting to be really hot, so we'll wait a couple months and then we're going to plant another crop of it. So check out that video on how to keep those worms away and how to care for your corn, because it's really important. They need to be healed, it needs to be fertilized, lots of water, and pest control. Keep those worms away. Okay guys, thank you for joining us today.
Hi.
Tell everybody, what do you tell them? Say, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yes. And Mimi, come here. Come here. Come here, Papa Drew. Come on. So, take care and God bless.
Bye.
Bye.